Our firm is the Carlson Law Firm. We have 18 offices throughout the state of Texas. We understand veterans. We understand the unique plight that members and family members and military members go through. And that's what allows us to relate to them, to understand the issues they have, and to represent them in court. At the Carlson Law Firm, not only do we represent a lot of veterans and their family members, but we also go out and support veterans in activities. We have a Veterans Day here at our Killeen, our main office, but we're also sponsors of the Combat Motorcycle Veterans, and we're involved with their events. We're involved with ROC, which is equine service for veterans and their family members. There's all kinds of activities that we're involved in on a weekly basis to help veterans. To be honest, I went into the military to pay for my schooling. My dad was a factory worker, and the only way that I could pay for my college was through scholarships. And one of the scholarships I got was an ROTC scholarship. And so I joined the ROTC. I didn't really know what I was doing. It was a great experience. It paid for my schooling. I loved doing it. When I got into the military, I loved being in the military. I loved being an officer in the Army. I was originally an ADA officer, which is Air Defense Artillery, kind of the Patriot battery missiles that people hear about. And then I was allowed to go to law school, and I became a JAG officer. I had a 4-year commitment. I stayed 5.5 years. I would have stayed longer. When my wife came back from Desert Storm, she wanted to have kids and didn't want to move around as much. So I said, yes, ma'am. And I got out. But I loved being in the military. I would have stayed the whole time. I love the mission, and I love the people. The Carlson Law Firm is constantly adapting to help soldiers and their families with various issues that are related to them. One of those issues recently was representing many family members who lost loved ones and soldiers who were injured in Iraq and Afghanistan through terrorism cases. So as different issues pop up that affect veterans, we adapt and try to change our firm to better support and help them. We're owned and operated by veterans. Many of our staff members are either veterans themselves or spouses or kids of veterans. We're all about veterans' rights and trying to help people with veterans. We do personal injury law, medical malpractice, products cases, and in certain areas we do family and criminal law. We'd love to help you. If you ever need anything, reach out to us at any time. We're here for you.